My mother is a professional scientist and very enthusiastic about her work as a brain scientist, doing very basic research about the magnetic fields caused by the nervous activity in the human brain. I remember when I was about 15 or 16 years old, and my mother was very enthusiastic about the new experiment that they were going to do. They were going to take a look at the human brain, whether they could find words at special places in it. Like if there's a word bird, would it be in a certain spot in the brain? And they called this the bird experiment because of this example of a bird. And I was kind of worried because if they would find it, then it would be possible to read the thoughts of those who think by words, and maybe the thoughts of others who just use those building blocks and structures in their thinking. So I was worried and tried to kind of calm down my mother and warn her about it, but she didn't listen. She was too eager to find out whether it really was so. And then I didn't see her until the next morning, and not during the whole day. She went to work, and not during the evening either. She was somewhere. And then in the morning, when I was in the kitchen eating breakfast, she came in, and she didn't look quite like usual. She looked kind of stiff and worried, and I was kind of horrified to death because I thought that maybe there was some actress having replaced my mother, and that we would have to live on with the acted mother and my real mother somewhere. I don't know where, but it didn't sound nice. Well, it had been a long time.